Welcome back, QuaranTimers. Nice to see you again. This is you from Conductive Music. Today we are going to make our own song on SongMaker. This is a website from Music Lab. Last time we discussed about this Kandinsky. Today we are going to talk about top left SongMaker. This is our working space. These blocks represent notes we call grid composition. Every time you click, you can make a note. If you click the play mark, you can hear your music. This bottom part represents drums. Let's play. You can change the instrument by clicking this. I'm gonna move on to piano and also change into on top left, you can see these arrows. If you click this one, you can use your keyboard. Yeah. And once you click, either use your mouse or your fingers or these arrows. The default setting of Chrome Music Lab SongMaker is C major, which is all the white key on the piano. Why don't you explore and make own song and maybe change your music, change your instruments, and make your own. I want to change the speed of the song. Speed of the song we call tempo. You see? Tempo. So we can change the tempo by clicking this bottom part. I want very slow, 60. To delete some notes, you just need to click your notes. On SongMaker, you can make chords. Chord means the more than 2 notes at the same time. To make a chord, you just need to add more colors on same column. We can play Mary Had a Little Lamb by using just 4 colors. Red, orange, yellow, and green. Let's make a song. Let's listen to it. Let's try different method for song making. On bottom right, you see microphone. Good news is you can add more layers. To change the settings, all you need to do is go to this setting next to microphone icon. We are on C major, which is the white keyboard on the piano.
You can have pentatonic and chromatic scale. Chromatic scale is all of the keys on the keyboard, and pentatonic is 5 notes, pentagon like this. So I am going to choose pentatonic in here. I'm going to add 2, 3 octave split beat into 4, so much more quicker. We can have a lot of more grit. And length, I'm gonna add 8. Off we go. software for music making. We use mouse on the computer and also the keyboard on the computer. And if you are on tablet, you tap on tablet and you can make music. And also we use the microphone for the recording. Now, at the end, I want to introduce the other way, which is
keyboard. So by using this, we can make the music, of course, on the song maker. You see that the MIDI setting next to the microphone. Connect the keyboard via USB cable to the computer and click MIDI. We are back. So why don't we use all of the things we've learned today and make our music? This MIDI is a bass line.
ready.
Now I am gonna add drums. Finally, add something and take away something by using mouse. Important information at the end. We need to save our work. Thank you so much for today. I want to save this one. You can save your work in your computer too. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for Shine Trust for supporting us. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this and see you again soon. Stay home, wash your hands, and bye bye.